Woodworking is a craft that combines creativity, skill, and a deep appreciation for natural materials. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, the potential to turn your passion into a profitable business is both exciting and achievable. In this guide, we will explore effective marketing strategies tailored specifically for woodworking projects, helping you connect with customers who appreciate quality craftsmanship and unique designs. As the demand for handmade, artisanal products continues to rise, woodworking offers an exceptional opportunity to carve out a niche in the marketplace. However, crafting beautiful pieces is only half the battle. Effectively marketing those creations is essential for success. This guide will provide you with practical tips and insights on how to promote your woodworking projects, establish your brand, and ultimately drive sales, allowing you to thrive in this rewarding field. If you enjoyed this video, we truly appreciate your support in helping our channel grow. Subscribing not only keeps you connected to our woodworking community, but also allows you to access a wealth of tips, projects, and inspiration that we share regularly. By giving us a thumbs up, you're helping us reach more viewers who share our passion for woodworking. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can stay updated on all our latest content, including tutorials, project ideas, and special announcements. Your engagement not only fuels our creativity, but also motivates us to keep producing high-quality videos that resonate with you. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Woodworking as a business. Woodworking is not just a rewarding hobby, but also a viable business opportunity. With the right skills, creativity, and dedication, individuals can transform their passion for crafting wooden items into a profitable venture. The woodworking market is vast, ranging from furniture and home decor to custom pieces and artistic creations. This guide will explore various marketing strategies to help you reach potential customers, build your brand, and maximize your sales. Building a strong portfolio. A well-crafted portfolio showcasing your best work is essential for attracting customers. Include high-quality images of your projects from various angles, alongside detailed descriptions that highlight the materials, dimensions, and craftsmanship involved. Consider using professional photography to enhance the visual appeal of your portfolio. This not only demonstrates your skills, but also helps potential customers envision the quality they can expect from your work. An online portfolio or website is particularly useful for showcasing your projects to a broader audience. Utilizing social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are powerful tools for marketing your woodworking projects. Start by creating dedicated profiles for your woodworking business. Share high-quality images of your creations, behind-the-scenes videos of your process, and customer testimonials. Engaging content, such as polls or Q&A sessions, can help build a community around your brand. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and connect with other woodworkers or potential customers. Setting up an online store. Creating an online store allows you to reach a wider audience beyond your local area. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website can help you showcase and sell your products directly to customers. When setting up your online store, ensure it is user-friendly with clear navigation, high-quality images, and detailed product descriptions. Incorporate secure payment options and a straightforward checkout process to enhance the shopping experience. Additionally, consider offering a range of products at different price points to attract various customer segments. Emphasizing quality and craftsmanship. In the woodworking market, quality and craftsmanship matter significantly. Highlight the materials you use and the techniques you apply in your projects. Educate your customers about the benefits of handcrafted items, such as durability and uniqueness. Share stories about your sourcing of materials or the inspiration behind your designs. This transparency can justify a higher price point and attract discerning buyers who appreciate the value of artisanal products. Consider creating content that showcases your craftsmanship, such as time-lapse videos of your projects. Networking with other craftspeople. Connecting with other woodworkers and artisans can open doors to collaboration and cross-promotion. Attend local craft fairs, workshops, and trade shows to network and share ideas with like-minded individuals. Building relationships within the woodworking community can lead to valuable referrals and partnerships. Collaborating with other artisans for joint projects or promotions can also expand your audience and enhance your credibility. Leveraging local markets. Local markets and craft fairs provide an excellent opportunity to showcase your work in person. Setting up a booth allows potential customers to see and touch your products, which can lead to immediate sales and lasting connections. Research local events and consider participating regularly to build a local following. Having business cards or flyers on hand can help you network and promote your online store. Engaging with customers face-to-face can also provide valuable feedback on your products. Offering customization options. Many customers appreciate the opportunity to personalize their purchases. Offering customization options, such as different sizes, colors, or engravings, can set you apart from competitors. Clearly communicate these options on your website and social media channels. Customized products often command higher prices, as customers are willing to pay for items that are tailored to their preferences. Consider showcasing examples of customized projects to inspire potential buyers. Creating engaging content. Content marketing can significantly boost your visibility and establish you as an authority in woodworking. Consider starting a blog or YouTube channel where you share woodworking tips, tutorials, and project ideas. This not only showcases your expertise, but also drives traffic to your online store. Use SEO strategies to optimize your content for search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Engaging content can also be shared on social media, further increasing your reach and engagement. Email marketing for repeat business. Building an email list can help you maintain relationships with past customers. Send out newsletters featuring new products, promotions, or woodworking tips. Providing exclusive offers or early access to new items can incentivize customers to stay subscribed. Email marketing is a powerful tool for encouraging repeat purchases and keeping your brand top of mind. Use engaging subject lines and visually appealing designs to increase open rates and click-throughs. Collaborating with influencers. Partnering with influencers in the woodworking or home decor space can expand your reach significantly. Influencers can showcase your products to their audience, providing credibility and increasing your visibility in the market. Research and identify influencers whose values align with your brand. Consider sending them samples of your products in exchange for reviews or features on their platforms. This can help you tap into their follower base and attract new customers. Utilizing SEO strategies. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your online store. Research keywords related to your products and incorporate them into your website content, product descriptions, and blog posts. Focus on long-tail keywords that reflect specific customer searches, as these often have lower competition. Additionally, ensure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly, as these factors can impact your search engine rankings. Regularly updating your content can also improve your visibility. Customer reviews and testimonials. Positive reviews and testimonials can significantly influence potential buyers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on your website or social media pages. Display these testimonials prominently to build trust with new customers. Consider creating a dedicated section on your website for customer feedback. Responding to reviews, both positive and negative, shows that you value customer input and are committed to improving your products and services. Email marketing for repeat business. Building an email list can help you maintain relationships with past customers. Send out newsletters featuring new products, promotions, or woodworking tips. Providing exclusive offers or early access to new items can incentivize customers to stay subscribed. Email marketing is a powerful tool for encouraging repeat purchases and keeping your brand top of mind. Use engaging subject lines and visually appealing designs to increase open rates and click-throughs. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed what you saw, we'd be grateful if you could subscribe to our channel. Subscribing ensures that you won't miss any of our future content, including new woodworking tips, project tutorials, and creative ideas. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Your likes not only motivate us, but also help others discover our channel. We truly appreciate your support, and it encourages us to continue producing high-quality content tailored to your interests. Thank you again for being part of our community.